West Ranga River is one of the very best rivers in the whole world for salmon fishing. The average cast of the Ranga is about 6,000 salmon per year, and we have 10 beats and 2 rods fish each beat. There's normally one guide with 2 rods, and here it's allowed to share a rod, so people can either be just 2 people with 2 rods, or they can be 4 people with 2 rods and 1 guide. Most of the guides that are here are local guides that love the river. My dream was always to make fishing lodge that was welcoming and that people didn't want to go home. We have a wonderful host, we have the best chefs, we have really good guides. I think we have the best guides in Iceland. The team is just fantastic. It's like one big family, and I want people that come here, they feel like they're part of this family and they want to come again. You know, they make friends both here at the lodge with the staff and also with other anglers they meet. Yeah, that's my vision, and that's the dream come true. Just look around. Everything is green and pretty, fresh breeze. You can smell the grass, you can smell the flowers, you can see people catching fish here. It's just, yeah, there is no other place I would rather be.